Today let's make this delicious dried fish with Gnut sauce. So first we're gonna have our onions, we're gonna have some eggplants, then tomatoes and okra. Then there we have our fish. This is washed, so I'm just gonna break it into little pieces, and at this point you can remove the bones if you'd like to make it a little bit easy while eating. So I'll just get them together, remove some of the bones, and then I'll transfer it to my little saucepan which I'll be using to cook. So after that I'll add some water. Make sure you add a lot of water, and I'll add some salt. Then also make it a little bit spicy with black pepper, so I'll add some black pepper. This is optional. And then I will add my onions. Then I'll also put my tomatoes in there, and then I'll cover it and let it cook for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes, guys. So after that I'll add my okra. This is optional as well. Some people prefer to eat it without anything. And then I'll also add my eggplants. This is to make it tastier and thicker. Please try this out and let me know how it turns out for you. So after that I'll let it cook again for like another 10 minutes. If it's pouring, you can make sure that you reduce the heat and also let it cook while open so that the bubbles coming up shouldn't pour. So now meanwhile it's cooking, I'm gonna have my paste, and I'll add hot water to my Gnut paste and then mix it. Now the mixing, make sure you mix it until it is smooth. So when it's thick, I'll add more hot water and continue mixing it. You want to make sure it's super smooth. Now after that, I'll just take it and add it to my sauce. So while I'm adding, I'll be mixing it so that it's evenly mixed properly. Now after mixing it, we're going to let it cook for about 15 minutes in low heat. And in between we need to keep mixing it so that it doesn't burn under. So we shall keep mixing it in those 15 minutes while it's cooking. Now our sauce is ready, and now we can serve it. You can eat it with your favorite food, sweet potatoes, cassava, or posho, or anything that you like. And in our case, we're gonna eat it with kalo or cassava flour, and it is super delicious. Let me know if you tried this out, and see you in the next video.